ju usek. Kollox fidejk. Grazzi.
So you're standing there all alone, trying to mend the things on the phone, but everything ended a long time ago. Sometime when you didn't even know I was your puppet and you were my master. You turned my life into a disaster. Now I have to find peace within my inner self. Dust off the dirt from that filthy old shelf. You were everything, but now you're a stranger. I'm trying to keep myself away from danger. Cut all strings, that's what I'll do. Never fall for you. Could this be true? If I only knew. You always broke my heart with every word.